doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Doing my truck?
Blow drying the underneath?
No.
Nothing.
We'll get smart with
Okay, bye.
it. Back in the house
Whatever. Baker.
now. I can't hear you. I'm almost 70 years old. I can't hear you.